Hey, what's going on everybody? This video I'm going to be teaching you how to override the toString method. So when exactly does this come up? Well, for example, if we are just printing some object, such as this user object, me, and we run this, we don't exactly get the string we were probably hoping for. We might have wanted it to put out the person's first name or last name, or some information about the object. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video. Pram is a free mock interview platform where you can develop your technical interviewing skills. Practice coding with live execution of all major programming languages to solve real interview questions. Interview types include data structures and algorithms, product management, behavioral interviews, system design, front-end, and data science. I've personally used this service to successfully crash course for a software engineering interview. Lots of people are having success getting positions at companies like Amazon, Google, Twitter, and more. Check it out, I'll leave a link for you guys in the description. So to override the toString method, which by the way, if you put a dot after me and say toString, you can see it right there. That's going to be implicitly called when you pass it into this print line, which is why I didn't have to put that explicitly. But if you want to override that, what we can do is go into our class, find a good spot because we got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm going to put the override at the bottom. You can actually right click, hover over source, and generate toString. And look at this, you can choose the fields to include in the toString method. So we'll check first name, last name. Alternatively, you can go into the methods and say get full name instead of the first name and last name. So that's what I'll do. And there you go, we get the very basics here. So here's how you override. You can copy the syntax here. Basically, we just need the method to have the exact same name, and we put this @override above it. So now, back in our calling program, we can get rid of this toString because again, that's implicit. We can run this, and look, we get a little bit more of a descriptive thing. So get full name, invoking that returns Caleb Curry. You can ultimately change this, right? If you just wanted to do the name, you can get rid of all this stuff here. But that's kind of cool. I like that it generated that. So that is how you override toString. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we're going to override the equals method.